Hi, this is Robert with Pioneer Smokehouses, and I'm doing another short video today with my Masterbuilt Gravity Series 1050. And I gotta tell you that I am loving everything I do with this. So today, this is just something simple for an after-work meal, pizza. So on my way home from work, I stopped by the local pizza place and bought a ready-to-cook pizza. And I got this thing going and preheated it, and one of the things that I've noticed is that whatever your setting is, that it runs just slightly hotter, so you definitely want to come down by about 10 degrees. Normally when I do my pizzas, I bake them at about 415 in the oven, so my target temperature is right around that same range in the smoker. I'm not going to use a stone, but if you're going to do a homemade pizza, you either would want to use a pizza stone or an upside down cookie sheet. Works really well. And when I take the pizza off, I'll be sliding it onto an upside down cookie sheet. It works really well for carrying it and serving it on. So at any point, let's go ahead and open her up here. Now, something that I haven't been doing on a regular basis is shutting the smoker down and saving the fuel that's in it, because normally I like to burn it off, and so I try to guess how much fuel I'm going to need. And when I say fuel, I mean charcoal and wood. And then I try to turn it up real high to run the last bit of it out and clean, burn off the grill grates at the same time. These are the dampers. They slide into the two slots right here on the side, and by doing that, you cut off all the air to the burning chamber, and it puts the charcoal out. I did that for the first time on my last cook, and it worked great. I was able to come out here. It did take a minute or two longer to light it, because usually I use match light in the bottom, but I just used some cardboard and some craft paper and a toilet paper roll, and it started right up, no problem. So I'm going to go ahead and put those back on the holder, and then I'm going to set this pizza on here. So I'm going to set it to this side just a little bit, because it is a little bit warmer. So you can see what I'm doing here. So this whole pizza fits in here just fine. So now I'm going to go ahead and close that, and then we'll talk for a second, and then we'll take a little break. So you can run, I'm using the paper tray on the bottom of the pizza today, and if you make a homemade pizza, or if you use something like a boboli crust where the crust is already cooked and you're just kind of toasting it off, you could probably throw it directly on the grill. I still don't like to do that because I don't want stuff falling through. And again, if you have a pizza stone, which I used to have one of those, and I left it with my last oven when I moved, but this one here, paper can go up to 451 degrees before it will burn. So at 415, it's more than safe to go ahead and run it like that. So if you look here, we are at 406 right now, and the temperature will go up just a little bit. It just popped up to 407. So anyway, I will set the timer and check on it in about 6 minutes, and then we'll spin it, and then we'll check on it again in another 6 minutes. All right. Okay, we're going to get a quick look at the pizza and then give it a little spin. There we go. Get a nice little look at that. A little toasty around the edges there. Starting to look real good. Go. Like usual, no oven mitt. One day, I'm going to buy myself a nice little oven mitt to leave outside. All right, we'll be back in another 5 minutes, maybe push it off to 6. All right, here we go. Let's take a look and see how she's going. So first off, I went ahead and brought out a pot holder there, or glove, whatever. I'm going to skip the burn myself part. Oh, that looks perfect. I think we'll call that done. About there. And it is bubbling. I'm just going to set this to the side for a minute. So let's go over this really quick. So it's on right now. So I don't need to clean it because we used the tray. So I'm just going to go ahead and hold the button down and turn it off. And there it goes. I'll go ahead and close the lid down. And then I'm going to lower the camera here a bit. That wasn't right. Okay. So I have these two slides. Small slide goes in the bottom. Large slide goes in the top, or gate, whatever you want to call it. And now this is completely sealed off, so it will not get any more air to the chamber. And we should have half a load of charcoal left when we go to start next time, because I refilled it before I fired it up, and it should go ahead and just snuff itself out. So anyway, thanks for watching. It's time for me to go eat pizza for dinner. And don't forget, links to the website, the reviews, and products used in this video are at the bottom. Those are affiliate links, so if you use them, I will get a commission. And thank you very much. I appreciate it.